Down to earth. What does that mean? It's something that happens when you go skydiving. You fall down to earth. Of course, no, that's not what this means. That's what we're going to learn in this video. So, as always, let's listen to a dialogue and see if you can imagine the meaning from the context. In this dialogue today, we have Max and Joe, and they're two friends talking at work. And Max says to Joe, "I need to find a real girlfriend. I'm getting tired of dating all these airheads." "I've seen some of your airheads. What's wrong with dating airheads if they look like that?" "Yeah, it's fun sometimes, but it's not really the type of girl I want for a long-term relationship." "What kind of girl are you looking for?" "I don't know. Someone nice with a good personality that I can talk to. Someone who's not so concerned with the latest trends or Hollywood gossip. You know, just someone down to earth that I can relax and be myself with." Okay, so here in this dialogue, Joe and Max are talking, and excuse me, Max says that he wants to find someone, find a girlfriend who he calls down to earth. So what does that mean? What do you think it means? Actually, he kind of described what it means in the last paragraph there. So basically, someone who's down to earth is usually somebody who's not so concerned with the superficial things in life. Someone who can have a deep conversation, and he feels that he's not really getting that from the girls he's dating currently. So he wants somebody that he can connect with on a deeper level and have good conversations with, and not have to listen to Hollywood gossip or talking about the latest trends all the time, etc. And that's basically what down to earth means. It's not really a word that has a very clear definition, but that's generally the sense of what down to earth means. So I hope this helped you understand the term a little bit better. And if you liked it, please don't forget to click the like button and share it with everybody you know who's studying English. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.